Welcome back, my YouTube friends and family. This is Lindsay, and I am back with more daily work from home job leads for you. In today's video, we have Block Hiring, the company that owns like Cash App and Square and all of the different like payment options. We have Red Robin Hiring. We have data entry positions. We have a position that is involving processing refunds. So hope I have a mixed bag, a little bit of something for everyone. As always, links, timestamps, all additional information you may need can always be found in the YouTube description box below this video. And I do just ask that if you enjoy anything that I share, let me know by giving this video a thumbs up like button. But first off, we have a payment processor, Block Hiring. Now, they have 1,800 reviews from past and current employees, an overall employee satisfaction rating of 3.8 out of 5 stars. They are looking for an SFS. This is for their Square Financial Services. Square is that little like block that like food trucks and small businesses can put like on top of their phone to be able to swipe and take credit cards. They are looking for a customer success advocate for their Square division. Now, this is remote work from home for the United States. Now, it does specifically mention they're really looking for somebody who is bilingual in English and Spanish to really answer questions regarding business documents, loan applications, and account information. And so they're making sure that that data is accurate and complete, resolving any customer inquiries through phone and email. They'll have customer management tools that you'll have to use to kind of navigate around computer systems, enter that data of the customer. And so you're going to navigate escalation paths using the customer lifecycle to assess the needs and risk and take the right actions. So you'll identify, document, and escalate product lines, trends, and operational gaps into the system. Now, of course, other than being fluent in both English and Spanish, they're looking for somebody who has at least 1 year of customer service, somebody who has a strong interest in process improvement, kind of taking existing processes and seeing where the breakdown lies and making them better. So somebody who really enjoys working as a team and somebody who can take feedback and implement it quickly. Now, of course, they are paying based on your location in the United States, based on like what state you live in, but pays anywhere from $22.74 an hour up to $45.48 an hour. Next up, we have a Teladoc Health Hiring. It wouldn't be me if I didn't throw some kind of healthcare position in here. They have 1,100 reviews from past and current employees, an overall employee satisfaction rating of 3.2 out of 5 stars. They are looking for a credit specialist. This is remote for the United States. And a credit specialist is responsible for those refund requests. So they are looking for somebody to really monitor high volume refund requests that come in through online portals, emails, or phone calls. You're going to review and evaluate the insurance payer explanation of benefits to validate if the refund request is due, if it is valid. And if the refund request is valid, you're going to process the refunds through the merchant terminal and PayPal and AuthorizeNet, all the different systems that they have. So you're really manually reconciling and balancing to make sure that accounts that are in our credit balance are really due a refund. And then, of course, processing those refunds to patient accounts. So any escalated points, you're going to identify and escalate up to your supervisor. But of course, no college degree is needed, just a high school diploma or GED, and somebody who has experience kind of in the insurance field, knows insurance billing, Medicare, Medicaid, knows kind of like documentation guidelines, can navigate around computer systems, use like those Microsoft Office systems. You've got to have good problem solving skills, be organized. Now, down here at the bottom, just to confirm, it says work environment and it has an X in the remote box, and it pays anywhere from $19 an hour up to $21 an hour. Of course, next up we have the burger restaurant Red Robin Hiring. They have 4,500 reviews, an overall employee satisfaction rating of 3.4 out of 5 stars. They are looking for a people advisor. This is remote work from home. Now, one thing to note, a people advisor is going to be human resource related. So they're really looking for somebody to help provide human resources advice, counsel, and support a variety of the relations and management issues. So when you have issues reported, whether it's from employees or from like managers, you're going to be responsible for doing investigations of policy infractions, team member misconduct. You're conducting interviews with the team members to bring forward any concerns. So you are just talking to all these team members, ensuring that a fair and consistent approach to any disciplinary action or recommendations that need to be taken. You know, you treat everyone fairly. You're going to support all the compliance and the tracking. So when people have jobs, you've got to have I-9s, unemployment claims, documenting basically all of the human resources things. So you're reviewing and acting upon requests that come in through the ticket management system. And individual restaurant managers, you're going to work with them through email, phone, messaging, and you might have to be on video from time to time doing like conference calls with them. So you're just helping the whole human resources team. Now for this one specifically, they don't require a bachelor degree, but they highly prefer one in some kind of human resources or related field. They will take equivalent experience over a bachelor degree though. You do have to have at least 2 to 4 years of experience in some kind of human resources role, be able to kind of coach, mentor people. So you've got to have strong leadership skills, be highly organized, be able to multitask, and have great communication skills. Now, pay for this one is anywhere from $65,700 a year up to $90,300 a year. Now, if you're looking for straight data entry, we have Wood Hiring, also known as Wood PLC. They have 3,200 reviews and overall employee satisfaction rating of 3.8 out of 5 stars. They are looking for a data entry administrator, again, remote for the United States. The basis of the job is gathering data and entering that data into the database. That is basically it. So you are going to be given like instructions, operating procedures, and checklists. You're just going to go through those and complete all assigned tasks and making sure all the data you're reviewing and entering is accurate within the available sources. You're really working to help define processes and procedures where you find something is lacking. So you're just keeping up to date appropriate databases, solving any problems that you come across. So it doesn't say exactly how you're going to gather this data, if you're going to gather it online or if you're going to have to make phone calls to ask people information. It does not specify that. That will need to be discussed with them at the time of the interview, including pay. Now, pay is not listed for this position. That's another thing that will have to be discussed in the interview, but they don't require any kind of college degree, just somebody who's previous experience in data entry or maintaining confidential information. You've got to have strong skills in Microsoft Excel and Microsoft Word. You've got to be able to prepare documents following templates and instructions. So you've got to be able to basically follow instructions, follow processes, have great attention to detail. Now, if you have great customer service skills, you might be interested in Equitable. They have 898 reviews, an overall rating of 3.7 out of 5 stars. They are looking for a customer service escalation specialist. This is remote for the United States. They're looking for somebody specifically to help their employee benefits customer service team. So you're basically going to help oversee the resolution of complex customer issues, making sure that those get resolved in a timely manner. So you're collaborating with other departments to implement solutions to recurring customer concerns that keep coming up. And you're also going to help design and implement efficient and effective customer service processes. So here again, when you're looking at these complex escalated like tier 2 or level 2 complaints that are coming in from the customers, you're going to look at how the processes are failing and how they can be improved. So you're going to like give ideas of how to improve things or make things better. So you're kind of problem solving and analyzing all of those existing processes, looking for areas of improvement while you're also resolving the customer's issue. This does pay anywhere from $45,000 a year up to $60,000 a year. And they're looking for somebody who has proven customer service or customer relationships, specifically because this is for a benefit, an employee like a benefit customer service line. They're really looking for people who has experience kind of almost in that HR realm, dealing with life, accidental death, dental, vision, short-term, like long-term disability. You've dealt with like benefits before. Somebody who has experienced supporting BPO or offshore relations. You have great communication skills, great listening and presentation skills, and of course, somebody who can adapt to a fast-paced environment in an ever-changing environment. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you have a fabulous rest of your day, and I'll be back really soon with more work from home job leads just for you.